Do you want to be able to fix Instagram feed not showing new posts? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile and you have seen before that you're not able to get new posts on your like Instagram feed, well then actually what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is great. Click on settings and privacy. And what you're going to do in here is to just simply scroll down, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help in here. So click on help. Now click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And the reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they are the only ones that can help us with this issue, because before I had this exact same issue myself and I fixed it by going in here, and I'm going to show you now exactly what you need to write, so keep watching. I am having issues with not getting new post on my Instagram feed. I need this to be fixed. So you need to basically write exactly like this now to them. I am having issues with not getting new posts on my Instagram feed. I need this to be fixed. And when you're done, click on send in the top right corner. What you're going to do now is to wait about like 1 to 2 business days for the Instagram support to be able to see this. And after they have seen this, then hopefully this will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions for this, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I will try to help as many of you as I can, basically, if you leave a comment down below. And also, I wish you the best day.